Now with respect to this hadith literature now, these are the narrations about the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, the narrations from the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, and it's important for us to realize and to know that this hadith, this entire body of literature was preserved by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for the Muslim Ummah. And in fact there's a verse in the Quran in which many scholars point out as a proof that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala preserved the Sunnah of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. The verse says that we revealed the dhikr. نَحْنُ نَزَلْنَا الذِّكْرَ وَإِنَّا لَهُ لَحَافِظُونَ. That we have revealed the dhikr and we shall preserve it. Okay, now how is that a proof that the Sunnah of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ has been preserved? Some people say, if you mention that verse to some people, that we have revealed the dhikr and we shall preserve it, they will tell you that the dhikr here means the Quran. So in other words, this verse is saying that we have revealed, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has revealed the Quran and shall preserve the Quran. Is that when we talk about the Quran and we talk about the preservation of the Quran, are we just talking about the preservation of the wording of the Quran? Or is it the wording and meaning of the Quran? If it's both the wording and the meaning of the Quran, if we go to other places in the Quran, like the verse that the brother mentioned, وَأَنزَلْنَا إِلَيْكَ الذِّكْرَ لِتُبَيِّنَ لِلنَّاسِ مَا نُزِلَ إِلَيْهِمْ, that we have revealed to you the dhikr in order to explain unto mankind what has been revealed for them. And in this verse of the Quran and other verses and other hadith of the Prophet ﷺ shows that the meaning of the Quran, the true and the correct meaning of the Quran, can only be found by looking through the Sunnah of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, by looking at the hadith of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, at his explanation. Even the Sahaba were experts in the Arabic language. The Quran was revealed during their time and they witnessed the events that the Quran was referring to. Yet even sometimes they did not understand the Quran properly without the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ's explanation. So the meaning of the Quran is found through the hadith, through the explanation, and through the implementation of the Quran by the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ.